like to embrace the fire within and let it take over. What spices up your life? My guest Isabella Prida spices up her life by making us laugh. Isabella, could you please explain to me how and why you came up with the quote, kind of Mexican?
Oh, okay. So I say I'm kind of Mexican because my mom's side of the family is from Mexico City and my dad's side, they're like gringos. And so when I tell people, they're like, oh, okay. And I'm like, okay, why? They're like, oh, that's why you're like white. And I'm like, well, no, I'm not. Like my mom doesn't look like tortillas and rice.
Could you please tell me what spices up your life?
I like trying new things. Just because I'm always trying to see what I can do, and whether it's like roller skating or surfing or even trying to make my own pasta, believe it or not.
We're a fourth generation pasta manufacturing company.
Okay.
So we evolved from being the Mexican pasta to the real spicy Mexican pasta. So have you ever been in a situation where the waiter or whoever's serving you tells you like, she can't handle it?
I still don't understand this whole correlation of you're Mexican, like you need to be able to handle spice. I mean,
yeah.
I think it's just as bad as saying you're Mexican, you should be doing that type of job. I don't know, have you ever been stereotyped?
Are you kidding me? Pasta, Mexico?
Yeah.
Mexican pasta?
Yeah.
I get stereotyped all the time, every day.
Why? Because like people don't get that like pasta can be Mexican?
Yeah, basically. Okay. When everybody thinks about it, it's Italia.
Well, now, but you're calling it like Mexican pasta, so nobody can say anything.
Now we're the Mexican pasta. Now I want to prove that we can do it.
There you go. Ooh, I got goosebumps. I like it.
I really want to get into a piece of your life. I want to act as your waiter.
Okay.
Can we be a part of it?
Can you handle it?
If you can handle
I'm
spice.
not gonna like throw plates at you, but okay. Okay, we'll try it. We'll try it. Joven! Ding, 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 ding. Joven. Oh, hello.
Mande, señorita.
Bonjour. I would like.
No, bonjour. Mexicano.
Buenas tardes.
Ah.
Aunque no tenga menú, can I please just have the sopa de fideo?
Sí.
Thank you. Oh, thank you. ¿Dónde están los jalapeños?
Señorita.
Señor.
It's enough. Try it.
What's enough?
Try it.
Oh, a man's gonna tell me when it's enough. Listen, I'm gonna need some jalapeños in this, like right now.
I don't think it's safe for you.
Oh, you don't think I can handle that? Does this not say I'm so Mexican I can handle all the spice in this soup? Or what? What, Emiliano?
Aquí está.
Oh, you see? Thank you. I almost went back there to get it myself. Okay, well just thank you.
Isabella, I bet you that my pasta's ready.
Oh,
Let's go check it out.
We have to go check
Yeah.
it out.
Don't forget to click down below for more recipes and more episodes. Remember, we need to know what spices up your life.